In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Udemy. Whether you're wrapping up a productive study session or simply need to switch accounts, logging out properly ensures your account stays secure and your progress remains saved. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once you've got that pulled up, type Udemy into the search bar and press Enter. This will bring up the search results, and you'll want to navigate to Udemy's official homepage, which is typically the first result. Once you're on the Udemy homepage, the next step is to log in. You'll find the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page. Now, here's where you have a few options depending on how you've set up your account. If you've registered with an email address, simply enter your email and password. If you've used Single Sign-On, or SSO, with a service like Google, you can select that option to streamline your login process. Now that you're logged in, let's fast forward to the point where you need to log out. Maybe you finished watching some courses, or you're switching to another account. Look towards the top right corner of the screen again, where you'll see your initials or profile icon. This is your account menu. Clicking on the initials will reveal a drop-down menu. Here you'll see an option that says Log Out. Click this and you'll be securely logged out of your account. Before you do log out, though, it's crucial to make sure that all your work is saved, especially if you've been creating or editing content or taking notes. Udemy usually does a pretty good job of automatically saving your progress, but it's always a good idea to double-check. Make sure you've published any work to avoid losing any of those valuable insights or progress you've made. Once you're certain everything is saved and you're confident about your account's security, you can proceed with logging out, ensuring that your study session ends on a good note. So, that's how you log out of Udemy. It's a simple process, but knowing these steps will ensure that your account is secure and your progress is intact each time you finish using the platform. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.